Hi, I'm Greg Stokes, a practicing attorney in Atlanta, Georgia. We work on serious injury and death cases. Today we're talking about what is a deposition and why is it so important. A deposition, if you picture this, and if you ever give one, it's not a mystery. Basically, you're going to be called to a deposition, particularly if you've been in an accident and you're making a claim against the other side. And the case is developed into a lawsuit. Well, the other attorney, just as we're entitled to ask questions of his client, he's entitled to ask questions of you. So there'll come a day when you'll come to our office, you'll be sitting in our conference room, there'll be an attorney on the other side asking you questions, there'll be us on the other side defending the deposition, and you will be sworn to give testimony under oath as to what happened and what your injuries are. There will be a court reporter that will take everything down that you have to say. We consider your deposition to be the single most important thing in the litigation process, even more important than the trial. Because that insurance company attorney is going to be asking you questions. And, interestingly enough, he knows the answers to the questions already. And what he's hoping you're going to do is you're going to leave out something, or you're going to forget something. And then when at the trial, he's going to take your sworn testimony, and if you try to change your story, he's going to serve it back up to you and say, well, that isn't what you said at your deposition. If you're saying something differently in court today, what's true? What you're saying here in court, or what are you saying at your deposition? We don't want our clients to volunteer information. That defense attorney is not your friend, all right? He knows everything about your medical history. He knows everything about your past medical history, and he knows every accident that you may have been ever involved in. If you leave something out, it's going to come back to haunt you. The deposition is terribly, terribly important. If you find yourself in a situation where there's litigation and you're worried about how things are going to go, please consider that the deposition is the single most important part of the litigation process. You can call us at 1-800-700-5050 if you have any questions about this video. If you'd like to know more about this in general, please call us, 1-800-700-5050.